Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you a very easy पीस पुलाव रेसिपी। दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए। This peas pulao recipe is simple and a quick recipe. It will be a very nice lunchbox recipe. You can serve it with dal of your choice or it will be great with just simple tomato or onion raita as well. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ghee into a pressure cooker. Let it melt, and once the ghee is little hot, add 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 star anise, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 green ilachis, 1 Marathi mogu, 4 cloves, 4 peppercorns and 1 bay leaf. I'm adding few pieces of cashew as well. I've cut it into small pieces. Saute for 30 seconds, then add 2 green chilies. Then saute the ingredients till the cashew turns light golden brown. Then add 1 cup thinly sliced onions and continue to saute the ingredients till onions get a little softer. Once the onions are soft, I'm adding 1.5 cups of frozen peas. You can use fresh peas as well. After adding peas, continue to saute for 1 more minute and add 1 cup washed and soaked basmati rice. You can soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Add 1.5 cup of water, salt as per taste, and give it a nice mix. Now after giving it a nice mix, I'm closing the lid and I'm going to give it 2 whistles. Please do not give more than 2 whistles. 2 whistles is more than enough. Once the pressure comes down completely, our peas pulao is ready. Add some chopped coriander leaves. I'm adding about 2 tablespoon coriander leaves and give it a gentle mix. Peas pulao is ready to be served. Hope you guys will like the simple and easy peas pulao recipe. Do leave a comment in the comment section below if you have liked the recipe, and also please do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.